Good evening, folks. Mark here in the fan cave. This is a rather unusual fan, at least for you don't see them often in America. This is a KDK. These are you see these all over. So okay, let me rephrase that. You don't see them in North America. These are very common in South and Central America, and I acquired this one about 10 years ago from Eman Fan. Check out his channel. He's got all kinds of funky fans from overseas. So yeah, this is a KDK, and yeah, it's a regular 56-inch 3-blade industrial fan. 3 metal blades, a plastic motor housing. And it's got the cool little KDK medallion in the middle. And I have it connected to a 5-speed enviro fan control. I'm going to start it off on 5, which is the slowest. This is right at eye level, hence why I'm wearing my safety glasses. 4. Three. 2. 1. 'And spin down. Do a turnstile. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank you folks for watching. Please do stay tuned for more fan videos. You're probably not going to get much of a spin down just because I have a couple of fans cranking over here because it's pretty hot. So, give it another few seconds. It is slowing down a bit. Don't know if it'll come to a complete stop or not, but we'll see. Looks like that's as spun down as it's gonna go. Anyway, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more fan videos. Good night and good luck.